Are your videos blending into the background instead of standing out? What if you could create interactive videos in seconds that not only look professional, but also drive real engagement? In this Tech Goods review, we are exploring Dadan, an all-in-one platform designed to help you record, edit, transcribe, and add interactive elements without juggling multiple apps. Video is the most powerful way to reach your audience, but creating great video content usually means a complicated process. One tool for recording, another for editing, a third for transcription, and often something else for interactive features. It is time-consuming, expensive, and frustrating. And after all that work, many videos still fail to keep viewers interested. Dadan fixes this problem by putting everything in one place. You can record directly through the app, your browser, or a Chrome extension. Whether you are creating tutorials, product demos, or professional presentations, Dadan makes it simple to capture high-quality video. Once your video is ready, editing is easy. You can trim sections, blur sensitive information, and add text overlays to keep your content sharp and polished. The standout feature of Dadan is interactivity. Instead of passive videos, you can add forms, polls, and quizzes right inside your content. AI can even generate quiz questions automatically based on your video, saving you time while keeping viewers engaged. You can also include call-to-action buttons, attach files, and add links to guide your audience to the next step. This means more engagement, higher conversions, and videos that actually drive action. Dadan is also built to streamline meetings. You can schedule and record directly on Teams, Google Meet, or Zoom. The platform generates accurate transcriptions in more than 100 languages, making your content accessible worldwide. Better yet, AI creates meeting summaries and detailed notes that you can share with your team or stakeholders instantly. No more manual note-taking, just instant clarity. Dadan connects seamlessly with more than 25 popular tools. Leads collected through interactive videos can go straight into HubSpot or Mailchimp for follow-up. You can sync with Dropbox to import videos or use Shopify to distribute them directly to your store. It is designed to slide right into the workflow you already use. One user shared that Dadan is quick and easy for video recording, with simple editing and instant sharing that saves time and works perfectly for demos and tutorials. Another user said it is a great assistant for meetings, freeing up time by taking minutes automatically and organizing videos by relevance. So, is Dadan worth it? If you're tired of using multiple tools to create videos and you want a smarter, faster way to engage your audience, the answer is yes. Dadan is more than just a video editor. It is a complete platform for recording, editing, transcribing, and making videos interactive, while also streamlining your meetings with AI. That wraps up this review from Tech Goods. If you're ready to work smarter, create content that captures attention, and keep your audience engaged, then Dadan is a tool worth exploring. Make sure to subscribe to Tech Goods for more in-depth reviews of the best tools designed to help you grow your business.